Every trader has heard the phrase, follow the trend. But how do you recognize trends, reversals, and key market moves? The answer lies in market structure. Welcome back to Crypto Hub HQ, your guide to mastering crypto trading strategies. Market structure refers to the framework of price movements that form trends and reversals. It's the map traders use to navigate the markets. At its core, market structure is defined by higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. Understanding market structure on higher time frames is critical for identifying the overall trend. It helps you align your trades with the bigger picture, ensuring you don't trade against the prevailing momentum. Once you've established the long-term trend, move to a smaller time frame to pinpoint entry points. In our future videos, we'll show you exactly how and when to enter with confidence. By combining higher time frame market structure with precise entries on smaller time frames, you can trade with confidence and maximize your opportunities. Mastering market structure is the first step to becoming a skilled trader. At Crypto Hub HQ, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading insights.